What a ball! Ah! Yes! Get out of my way! You look absolutely gorgeous. Any words?
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Aston Villa. Aston Villa.
Oh, tenders in the sky.
Aston Villa.
Yeah, I like that. See, I like when you do that. Oh no! What a ball! What a save! Isn't that a penalty? Come on, get your black ass in here. You gonna cheer for Villa or you just over here for vibes?
Aston Villa needs to win.
Yeah, true.
So Aston Villa needs to block the Seagulls so they win because we're Aston Villa.
Hell God, you look gorgeous. What a ball! Go on. Please! 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 Mother! Where you going? Play football, Black Grealish. Jay, can I tell you something? You look absolutely gorgeous. What a ball! Ah! Yes! Get out of my way! Watkins! Get in there! Why are you hitting me, nigga? That's my ball. Hey, wear condoms, niggas. Yeah, no fit, man. 1-0. Ah! You little shit. They don't care about men's mental health. She doesn't stop. I swear. Can you not see this? I'm not cutting none of this out, man. Holton is in the fucking sky, mate. Go on! Oh, hit it! Ah! Oh!
Even those dragons, the jerk dragons.
The jerk dragon. 10-piece wing dread. Crazy. Ah! Yes! He scored again! He scored again! Get in there, Dread! Get in there! Come on! Come the fuck on! Everyone's saying he can't hit a fucking barn door. But he's scoring today. Jerk Seagull, man. Turn them shits off, man. Jesus Christ. Villa, Villa. Any words?
Yeah.
Don't do this, please. No. Goal. Yes! Come on! Mwah, 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 mwah. I love you so much. Come on, the Villa.
Come on, Villa.
Win again? Ah! Oh!
Come on. Come on, Aston Villa. Come on, Aston Villa.
What a tackle, by the way. What we doing? What we doing here? What we doing here? Oh! Hey! Oh! Straight! Yes! No! Yes! Yes! Get in there! Oh my God!
Aston Villa. Aston Villa. We're cheering for Aston Villa. We're Aston Villa. So of course we will.
Yes, we are, baby. Yes, we are. Until we bumbo out of there. Okay.
Excuse me.
My bad. My bad, now. Love you. Oh!
That was strange.
Come on, Villa, man. This is amazing. Oh, my God. Brighton. These hops, you know. Yeah? Jerk, Seagull, today. Raw, McGinn. Oh! Oh! Hey! Ross, man, what power routine? He's got to check that. Come on, Black Grealish. They're going to give it to the keeper. Hello? We've got a shout. Come on then. Who's on this? Who's going to be serious? He's not even gone for the ball. That's what he knew we weren't going to get there, but your body's gone there, lad. That's stupid, man. Come on, Luca. Come on then. Ding! Oh! Doggy. Ow! Cement boot Douglas. Deserve it. 3-0. You deserve it. Keep forcing them backwards, man. Pause up. I think I should just end it now. I gotta cook my daughter some lunch, and I don't think anything's gonna happen. Deservey. You picked the wrong tactics versus Villa. You deserve it. You hit him deserve it. 3-0 to your skin. Cool. Half time. Aston Villa 3. The jerk Seagull them. Oh. Yeah, see you second half. Up the motherfucking Villa. Up the Villa. Come on. Oh no. Pen. Oh, they've got to go back. Of course, let him score. He ain't scored, but we always let someone who ain't scored score. Fuck. Yeah! Get in there! Get your Hatrick then, lad! 3-piece on a Saturday. Yeah. Well, unfortunate. Bun up them, man. Bun up the Seagull them. Big piece of bird. Ah! We go again!
We got 5. I think we're gonna have 5 and 5.
Wow, I wish I'd gone today, man. Oh my god. Imagine me taking my babies there today. Ah! Shout out C-Mac. Yeah! It's 6! Get in there! Yes! Yeah! 6 in the 6, girl. Yes, batter them. Absolutely batter them. Yeah. Crew.
Yeah! Get in there!
Get in there!
Get in there!
What then? Hold 6. Pause. Yo. Aston Villa. What? Aston Villa.
I think we should get 10.
We can't. The game's done, baby.
Oh man.
Why are you showing everyone your gap?
What does gap mean?
The gap in your teeth.
Oh.
Aston Villa 6. The Seagulls, the jerk Seagulls to the Queagles 1. Yes, they've got to go back to.
We used to have 0 and 1.
They have to go
now
back.
we've got more than anything. And we can eat them for lunch.
Fire! Especially not anyone from Brighton. We know what to do down there. Love you lot. I gotta get this video edited and up the video.
I already said subscribe.
Subscribe. Like. And comment.
Comment.
Or come get. Yeah? Up the Villa! Up the Villa!